Hello everybody, Michael here from Owner's Pride Auto Spa in Orlando, Florida. Today we're working on this Nissan NV 2500 and we just saw a video from Paulo from Owner's Pride in St. Albert about how you can use our new product TNT to restore weathered WeatherTech mats. But we don't really deal with all the salt and snow that they deal with up in Canada. But one thing we do deal with is sun damage, specifically on these trims that get super faded, turn gray, that should be black. And I'm going to show you how you can use this to help restore these trims. So first thing we want to do is just give the surface a good wipe down using our Eco Wash, which is our rinseless wash. Just want to make sure that the surface is clean. We did give this van a wash, so we want to remove some of the water spots and any potential dirt and grime that's on here. So we got that wiped down. We're going to let that dry, and what I'm going to do is grab some tape and I'm going to put it straight down with any detail on product or chemical. You want to give it a good little shake. And just gonna put a little bit here on my applicator. Just gonna rub this into the trim. And what I'll ultimately want to do is opening the hood so I can get that top lip there. But I mean, I'll hit this little nub faces too while I'm at it. It's just that easy to apply. If you want, you can come and knock it down. So here what I'll do is I'm going to knock down just this top. And I'm just going to let that sit. But I mean, those results speak for itself. This is the amazing technology of the ceramic nanotubes in the TNT that helps to restore any rubbers, vinyls, plastics in your trim. Especially these exterior trims are known for getting damaged and not being easily restored without using some type of paint or dye. This is not a dye. This is safe for all surfaces, including metal, which I'll show you right here. I'll just put a little bit on, and then I'll immediately wipe it. Night and day difference. So you can see this is the amazing results that you get from TNT from Owner's Pride. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish restoring the whole trim. We'll show you the after once we're done. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching this video. This is Michael from Owner's Pride Auto Spa here in Orlando, Florida. So have a great day. Peace.